DJI is back with some seriously exciting new gear. And if you thought their last releases were impressive, just wait until you see what's coming next. From the powerful Mavic 4 Pro to the ultra-compact Mini 5 Pro, plus a game-changing Osmo 360, DJI is set to redefine drones and cameras once again. In this video, we're diving into all the upcoming DJI products, leaks, rumors, and what to expect. Are we about to see the best drones and cameras yet? Let's break it all down. First, let's talk about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, because this could be the most significant upgrade in the Mini lineup so far. A newly leaked promotional image in Spanish, first shared on X, hints at some major advancements. The biggest change would be a 1-inch camera sensor, a massive leap from the 1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This upgrade promises better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper details, making the Mini 5 Pro a serious competitor in the compact drone market. Another big shift is in gimbal design. The camera can now tilt straight up, a first for the Mini series. This small but powerful change opens up new creative possibilities, allowing for unique aerial perspectives that were previously impossible with DJI's smaller drones. On the technical side, leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro could feature 25 kilometers transmission range, 50-minute flight time, and an advanced LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance system. But the most surprising rumor is a built-in audio recording. If true, this would be a first for DJI's Mini series and a huge win for vloggers and travel creators who want to capture ambient sound along with their footage. The drone's design is also getting some refinements. While it retains the classic Mini form factor, it now features dual wide-angle front sensors and 2 additional inward-facing sensors for enhanced obstacle detection. DJI appears to be putting a heavy focus on AI-powered tracking, making it easier than ever to capture cinematic, professional-quality shots with minimal effort. As for pricing, there's no official confirmation yet. Industry insiders expect the Mini 5 Pro to be priced higher than the Mini 4 Pro. The release window is still unclear, but rumors point to a launch within the next few months. So expect more leaks to surface soon. Next, let's talk about the Mavic 4 Pro, because the sheer volume of leaks surrounding this drone is unprecedented. Platforms like TikTok and X have been flooded with images of empty Mavic 4 Pro shells appearing all over China. A front-facing image of the folded Mavic 4 Pro offers the clearest look yet at its refined aerodynamic design. The camera module looks noticeably larger, strongly suggesting significant improvements in imaging performance. If the Mavic 3 set a high standard, this new iteration is shaping up to be a serious game-changer. The biggest surprise would be Mavic 4 Pro's camera, which can rotate 179 degrees in both directions, allowing for true lossless vertical video capture. For content creators, this is a major breakthrough, eliminating the need for cropping or digital adjustments. This feature was further confirmed by a trusted Chinese source, adding weight to the speculation. Then, just when we thought the leaks had peaked, a 5-second video surfaced showing a fully functional Mavic 4 Pro, not a prototype, but a final production unit. Even more intriguing, the person in the video was using the RC Pro 2 controller and wearing DJI Goggles 3. While it's not officially confirmed that the Mavic 4 Pro will support DJI's FPV mode, the fact that the goggles were present definitely raises some interesting possibilities. Beyond visuals, leaked Chinese regulatory filings reveal that the Mavic 4 Pro will support 100-watt and 240-watt charging, alongside a parallel charging hub, allowing multiple batteries to be charged at once. Combined with a rumored 50-minute flight time per battery, this drone could offer some of the best endurance in its class. As for the launch, insiders claim DJI will announce the Mavic 4 Pro in April, with shipments beginning in May. While that timeline isn't officially confirmed, given the steady stream of leaks, it's only a matter of time before we get even more details. The first real-world image of the Matrice 400A has emerged, thanks to Igor Bogdanov. In classic DJI leak fashion, the drone was spotted through a DJI office window, continuing a long tradition of early glimpses at upcoming products. Visually, the Matrice 400A closely resembles the Matrice 300 and 350, featuring a boxy design, folding arms, and large landing legs. A payload is visible underneath, though specific details remain unknown. One of the more interesting rumors suggests the M400A might feature a single battery housing two smaller packs, which could allow for faster swaps. However, unless DJI includes an internal backup battery, this design might mean the drone powers down completely during battery changes. Previously leaked battery specs suggest 20,254 mAh capacity, 48.23 volt voltage, and 977 watt energy output. The Matrice 400A is expected to be heavier than the Matrice 350, allowing for a maximum payload capacity of around 10 kilograms. With DJI having already released the DJI Dock 3, the Matrice 400A is likely its next major enterprise drone, with a late 2025 release expected. The Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most substantial leap forward in DJI's Pocket series. Leaked details suggest a slightly larger 190 grams body, housing a rotating 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen. With a 480 by 800 resolution and a peak brightness of 800 nits, outdoor visibility should see a marked improvement. But the most exciting changes are in the camera department. Rumors point to a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens, a massive step up from its predecessor. If true, this means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality. The Pocket 4 is also expected to support 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M, and HDR recording, making it a serious tool for videographers. One of the biggest upgrades could be 4K at 240 FPS, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. A new processor is also rumored, promising faster image processing, real-time HDR previews, and improved workflow efficiency. Autofocus might see a boost as well, with phase detection and eye-tracking autofocus reportedly coming to the Pocket 4. Battery life is another highlight, with leaks suggesting up to 200 minutes of recording time and faster charging, bringing the full recharge time down to just 25 minutes. Improved heat management could also allow for longer, uninterrupted shooting sessions. As for the launch, DJI's usual 3-year product cycle suggests a late 2026 or early 2027 release, with pricing rumored to start at $699, while a creator combo version is expected at $799. DJI appears ready to shake up the 360 degrees camera space, with a newly leaked image of the Osmo 360 generating buzz. The leak, originally shared by Hakasushi on X, shows the Osmo 360 placed alongside the Insta360 X4 and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Notably, the Osmo 360 seems to have a larger lens diameter than the Insta360 X4, hinting at a bigger sensor, something DJI has consistently prioritized for better low-light performance in its action cameras. Adding further credibility to these rumors, a real-world image of the Osmo 360 has surfaced on Chinese social media, eventually making its way to X. The camera design appears wider but slightly bulkier than the Insta360 X4, yet narrower than the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Interestingly, this aligns with FCC design filings from October, reinforcing speculation that the leaks are legitimate. Despite growing rumors, DJI has yet to officially confirm its entry into the 360 degrees action camera market. However, trusted industry sources like Jasper Ellens, AdoCDLV, and Quadronis News believe the Osmo 360 is real and could be officially announced soon. With DJI rolling out multiple new products, including the Mavic Mini and Flip drone, the timing of the Osmo 360 leak suggests an imminent reveal. While detailed specs remain unknown, expectations are sky-high for what could be DJI's first full-fledged 360 degrees action camera. DJI is reportedly preparing to launch 2 new action cameras, the Osmo Action 6 and the Osmo 360. Leaker Igor Bogdanov recently revealed that both cameras are currently in testing, with the Osmo Action 6 positioned as a direct competitor to the GoPro Hero 13 Black. While GoPro recently updated its GoPro Max, DJI seems to be taking a different approach, offering both a traditional action camera and a 360 degrees option. The Osmo Action 6 will replace the Osmo Action 4 and sit alongside the Osmo Action 5 Pro, though there's no indication that DJI plans to discontinue the latter anytime soon. A leaked retail image, shared by Hakasushi on X, suggests the Osmo Action 6 will feature a 1 by 1.3-inch sensor with a 155 degrees field of view. However, some design elements differ from previous Osmo Action models, leading to speculation that the image might have been altered. FCC certification has already confirmed the Osmo Action 6 for sale in the US, but DJI has yet to announce an official release date. With major product launches on the horizon, 2025 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most exciting years yet. From the Mavic 4 Pro and Mini 5 Pro to the Osmo 360, DJI is pushing forward in both consumer and enterprise markets. With official announcements expected in the coming months, it's only a matter of time before we see these products in action. Which upcoming DJI release are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments.